Fix Subnautica 2 not launching, crashing, freezing, not loading, black screen on Xbox.
Sure.
1. Restart your Xbox console. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds. Wait until the console fully shuts down. Turn it back on and launch the game again. 2. Check for game updates. Open My Games and Apps. Select Subnautica 2 and check for updates. Install the latest game patch available. 3. Update your Xbox system software. Go to Settings, System, Updates. Install any pending Xbox updates. Restart the console after updating. 4. Clear persistent cache. Open Settings, Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Select Persistent Storage. Clear the cache multiple times. 5. Power cycle the console. Turn off the Xbox completely. Unplug the power cable for 2 minutes. Plug it back in and restart the console. 6. Check internet connection. Test network connection in Xbox settings. Restart your router if connection is unstable. Use wired internet for better stability. #7. Move the game to internal storage. Open Manage Game and Add-ons. Transfer Subnautica 2 to internal SSD storage. Avoid external drives if loading issues continue. 8. Delete corrupted reserved data. Open Manage Game and Add-ons. Go to Save Data. Delete reserved space/cache only, not your main saves. #9. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Subnautica 2 completely. Restart the Xbox before reinstalling. Download a fresh copy of the game. #10. Reduce console overheating. Make sure Xbox vents are not blocked. Clean dust around the console carefully. Avoid playing in very hot environments.